Are you thinking about implementing AI in your organization? Great. But here's the thing. It's not just about buying the latest AI tool and hoping for magic. There's actually a proven process that separates successful AI projects from the ones that, well, don't quite deliver. Let me walk you through the AI implementation lifecycle. It all starts with understanding what you actually need. Think of it like renovating your house. You wouldn't just start knocking down walls, right? You'd figure out what problems you're solving first. Same principle applies here. We talk to stakeholders, identify pain points, and align on specific use cases. Then comes phase 2, the reality check. This is where we ask, can we actually do this? We look at feasibility, pick the right technology, and make sure we're not overcomplicating things. Maybe you don't need a custom AI model. Maybe an off-the-shelf solution works just fine. Now here's where many projects hit their first checkpoint. We need approval. If something doesn't make sense, budget, timeline, expected ROI, we loop back and refine. No point moving forward with a project that won't succeed. Once approved, we get formal sign-off with a detailed proposal. Budgets, timelines, resource allocation, the fundamentals that matter. Phase 4 is where the real work happens, implementation and development. Your team is building, training models, integrating systems. This is the heavy lifting. But here's what separates good projects from great ones: testing and validation. You wouldn't launch a product without checking it first, right? We stress test, validate accuracy, and make sure the AI actually does what it's supposed to do. If it fails, no problem. We loop back and refine. Better to catch issues now than after you've gone live. Pass the tests? Excellent. Now we move to delivery and go live. The AI is in production, serving real users, solving real problems. But here's the crucial part. We don't just walk away. The last phase is operations and continuous improvement. AI isn't about setting it up and forget it. Because the world changes, data shifts, user needs evolve, and therefore we monitor performance, gather feedback, and continuously improve. Here's the key takeaway. AI implementation isn't linear, it's iterative. Each cycle makes your system smarter, more accurate, and more valuable.